This is a very simple mint white chocolate fudge pop recipe with few ingredients, but the fudge pops need to be frozen several hours before they are ready to be served. Simple syrup is equal parts sugar and water and a common base for any flavor we want to infuse into it. Simply heat up a tea kettle, and when it boils, pour 50 grams of water over 50 grams of sugar and stir. Allow the syrup to cool. To make peppermint syrup, bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch 45 grams of mint leaves and 5 grams of spinach leaves for 10 seconds. Immediately transfer the leaves to an ice bath to cool down quickly. The spinach adds extra chlorophyll, which creates a nice green color. If you do not blanch the leaves first, then the syrup will oxidize and become not very appetizing within a few hours. Squeeze out the water and add the leaves to a wet-dry spice mill or a small food processor. Add the syrup and blend until smooth. Strain through a fine mesh sieve into a mason jar until ready to use. Stored covered in the refrigerator, mint syrup will be at its best for about 3 days. This is how to make minted white chocolate fudge pops. Scale 30 grams of mint syrup, 100 grams of high-fat cream, 100 grams of whole milk into a small saucepan. Chop up a 100-gram white chocolate bar and add the chocolate to a small bowl. The better quality chocolate will make a better fudge pop. Put a towel under the bowl to help hold the bowl in place, and pour the hot cream mixture on top without mixing. Wait 3 minutes for the chocolate to melt underneath the hot cream mixture, and then stir to combine. If you mix right away, the cream mixture will cool down before it has a chance to melt the chocolate. Divide the mixture between 3 100 milliliter ice pop molds. Add the lids, making sure the sticks are standing up straight, and place them on the bottom of the freezer to harden. To unmold the fudge pop, dip the frozen mold into a glass filled with hot tap water, or run hot tap water under the faucet for a second or two, and carefully pull the mold off. This fudge pop will melt a little faster than a custard-based ice cream novelty with more binders in it, so it needs to be consumed shortly after it is unmolded. Minted white chocolate fudge pop has an enjoyable chewy fudge texture and a sweet floral peppermint flavor that is very refreshing.